What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're gonna figure out if you actually can regain some range on your electric vehicle just by rolling down a hill, or with braking, or just slowing down for stoplights, and in whatever other situations you may be in where you're slowing down and getting that regen. It's not just a marketing ploy, it actually is a real thing. So we're gonna go ahead and test that. I got the Chevy Bolt behind me here. It's a 2012. We're gonna go travel up a hill and try to conserve as much range as we can, but on the way down, we're just gonna cruise and roll and see how much range we can actually get back. I don't think it's gonna be a lot, but it's gonna be something. I'm thinking it'll be maybe a couple miles, so we'll just have to find out. So let's go. All right, so jumping a handful of days back, this is being filmed on July 11th. I have 28 miles of estimated range, and we're just heading out here, and we're gonna get to the big hill and then do the test here. So I'll catch you in a bit. Alright, so I'm heading up the hill here, and it says we got about 12 miles of estimated range left, but that's going to probably change, so I'll give you an update when we get closer to starting the test. But yep, just making my way up, and we'll see where we're at when it's time to start rolling down the hill. Got 10 miles. We did only have 9 a minute ago. We're gonna start rolling down this hill here, and we'll see where we get. Going down. I only have the cruise set at 68 miles an hour, so we'll see if we can get more than 10 miles here. We got 11 miles, still rolling down this hill here. There we go, we got 12 miles now. We're at the end of the hill here, so we probably won't get 13 miles, but this is just a basic little test to show you that you can, in fact, get range back when you regen and slow down. Alrighty, so there you have it. We got a couple miles back. Went from 9 miles to about 12 miles or so. That always scares me. Just by rolling down the hill. So that wasn't too bad. So you do definitely get some of that regen back when you're just cruising and not actually pushing on the accelerator, and just slowing down by regenning. And what's great about it is you don't have to use as much of your brakes either when it's actually time to come to a complete stop, because the regen actually creates the friction and actually does slow the vehicle down. So it's cool to see that we could actually get some of that range back just by cruising down a hill. Even with this car being about 12 years old, the battery's still in pretty good condition. So that's pretty awesome, and I'm glad that that test was a success. And so yeah, so be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be making more videos like this in the future. I'm going to be doing some different things with charging the Chevy Volt and just testing its battery capacity, as well as maybe trying to add some battery to the car, or maybe even just throw some batteries in the back and use them as, I don't know, a way of charging the vehicle when you're not near a charger. So yeah, I got a couple more video ideas like that, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.